Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to SEMA Day 2 for us. This is the last day of SEMA, Friday. We're out here with Stradman's Lamborghini, full carbon fiber, 918 Pagani. It's gonna go crazy tonight, guys. It's like we got a car meet to go to. I think it's gonna be the next video, and then they also have the SEMA cruise, so that's gonna be crazy too. This guy got a Gentani exhaust on his Aventador, full carbon fiber with the pinstripe accents. I love this look on cars, you guys. I'm thinking about doing like a matte black or satin black on my car and doing like a pinkish like pinstriping, kind of like the pinstripe on this stuff. Just little accents here and there, because I think satin looks really good, but you can still get the little pops from like the little, you know, pinstripes and stuff. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. What do you think?
I think it looks dope.
This is what I see. Ready? Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another car. Jeff. Another car. Really weird long drag car, and then you have a bunch of these cars. That's what SEMA feels like, basically, in a nutshell. Like, but like the whole time.
In the house.
Ooh, look at these, bro, from Aerodynamic. What do you guys think about this car, huh? Believe it or not, it's a 720 underneath that. It just has a lot of custom body work. 918, or not 918. Carrera GT looks really nice. This thing looks insane. Let's see. I wonder if he's gonna take it to the car meet tonight. He probably will. This thing looks insane. I love this matte looking. Wow, look at this thing here. I don't know what this thing is. Looks like a Le Mans car or something. Oh, got DD Super Trofeo car that they wrapped in their Tech wrap. Yeah, dude, on the camera, like right now I'm looking at the screen, it looks a lot lighter than it does in person. In person it actually looks a little red actually, but in the camera it looks pink, like it's a super pink. And if you watch their video, it looks really pink as well. Look at this thing too. Can't believe it's a wrap. It doesn't look like a wrap.
It's dated.
Got an EQS, I think that's what we call it. Another 720. Big wing on it, wide body. Wow, what do you guys think, guys? I think that looks insane. Whoa. Mint Tiffany on an R8. I think that looks sick too. That's what I'm saying, you guys. There's cars everywhere. More over there, more over here. Aventadors, Lamborghinis, Ferraris, just everywhere. Guys, check out this Z. Imagine, this is a Z? I mean, if the color wasn't this color, I don't think I would recognize it as a Z. Because look at the front end. It looks super nice. The wide body looks super nice. Like, this actually looks really good. The problem with the Z that I had when it was first came out, I didn't really like the front end. The back end looked really good. The front end doesn't look as good. But with all the wide bodies coming out, some of them are really good. Some of them are kind of weird, like the Pandem one, I think. The Pandem was because of the nose thing, but this one looks really good in my opinion. You can feel the carbon and everything. And yeah, I don't think I would even recognize it as this like Z if it wasn't this color. I would probably have just glanced over it and thought it was some kind of cool like one-of-one like Lotus or something. Check out that thing, you guys. It's no doors. It just comes off like a F1 or F-22 fighter jet. That looks insane. Look at that. Cockpit and everything all forged, or not forged, all exposed carbon. Wow. Yeah, that must be really fun to drive this car on the track. Like, insane car. We just actually walked by Stradman and Sophia. They were really cool. This is like Jeff's biggest fan. He's like biggest fan of Stradman. He's over here. Look at him. He's over here.
Stop.
He's loving it, man. Loving it. But anyways, check out this car. It has a 2JZ swap. It's a new, I think it's a new BRZ. I think it's the same, right? BRZ 86. But it's 2JZ swap. Big boy turbo. That looks like a good turbo for that car. I wonder if my turbo's that big. You can never tell. My turbo's like hidden, you know, like kind of. I need to get one of these though. My turbo blanket's gone, you guys. So this is a Pandem kit that I was talking about. See, I'm not 100% sure if I like that front end. The front end looks like a little narwhal looking or shark, or what, I don't know. It's just not like the right shark, you know. It looks like a weird looking nose thing. But anyways, Pandem is one of the wide body kits for that car that I like everything else about it except for the front bumper. I watched yesterday's video or last, like the day one. This one now has its hood pop. That's pretty gnarly, man. I bet you a whole thing is basically billet. And I bet you it puts a hella mean time down on the quarter mile. And I still bet you that it's a little scary to drive because it might blow up on you. Alright, so this is Chris Borges' car. I love his videos, you guys. He was like one of my main motivations on how to like make cool vlog content. And here's cars right here. This is OG FRS that he worked now with Street Hunter to get the wide body. So that thing's pretty sick in my opinion. And yeah, there it is at SEMA. So we're here with Be Distinct. You guys know Mr. Ruben.
What up, fam?
Congratulations for being SEMA, sir.
I appreciate you, fam. I appreciate you.
Yeah, awesome car. You guys seen it in the last video we came out here where he was busy, man. He was working his ass off this whole week.
Hell
That's
yeah,
what it takes to be a SEMA exhibitor. Huh?
Yes, sir. First year. Thank you guys for everybody who's been supporting. I wouldn't have been here without you guys, so thank you very much.
Hell yeah. Go hit him up on Instagram. You guys probably already know him on Instagram. But yeah, go hit him up. Break the window. Yeah, the wagon, M4 wagon. I think this is one of the few ones they had to import from Europe or whatever. And there's none in America. They don't make the wagon ones in America. So it's just here for SEMA and some other shows. We're doing a SEMA cruise right now. It's super, super packed with a bunch of people. The battery, put it back in. I love that color, dude.
This one died too. Oh my god.
Phone it is, though. Oh, sick. Oh, yeah. It's not even Alex.
You feel that shit in your chest.
That was SEMA day 2. A lot of the same cars that we've seen before, but also a lot of other cars that we haven't seen yet. And we did just end up watching the cruise a little bit. But we did just end up watching the cruise. It was awesome. We saw like the Aventadors, Paganis, basically the the cool people, the creators and stuff like that, like Stradman in Houston, and it was awesome. So now we're walking back to the car. On the next video, we're gonna be going out. We're gonna be taking out the R8 and the C8 to Origins meet, but they're doing like a post SEMA meet, and it's supposed to be pretty lit. So we're gonna see you guys on that next one. Peace.